Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another vlog and another install video here today. As you may know, I'm doing a monochromatic theme. I kind of want to just murder out my Supra, keep it all black. And the piece that we need to do that is these ThicWhip badges. Today, hopefully I can give you guys some tips and tricks on how to remove the OEM badge and replace this chrome one with these sick ThicWhip badges that we have here. And the reason why I want to replace them is, although the OEM badges look really nice, they're chrome, they stick out a lot, and most of the times you'll see a bunch of scratches on these clear case or even inside the emblem that you can't remove. And I think this is just a better look overall. First, you will need some fishing line. With the fishing line, I always recommend wearing a pair of gloves because when you're twisting it around your hands and trying to get it behind the badge and pulling it out, there's gonna be a lot of tension. And this fishing line could rip your skin or it can really hurt your hands. So I always wear gloves to help cushion that a little bit. You are still gonna feel some uncomfortableness, I guess, when dragging the fishing line, but these gloves definitely help. Second, what you will also need are prying tools. And lastly, what you need, this is something that I started using that makes the job so much easier. Whenever you're removing these badges and they leave excess glue on the car, it's very tedious to peel off the glue, either rubbing it off with your thumb, using Goo Gone and all types of rags and gasoline. But what I find the easiest is to buy this attachment for a drill, and it's like a rubber wheel. It helps remove vinyl and adhesives super easy. This, guys, is a lifesaver. It'll make the job so much easier. I'll show you how to use it today if you've never used it before. Okay, starting off at the rear of the car, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and just use a heat gun to heat up the 3M behind the badge. There's gonna be two pins right here that are kind of holding in the badge. So what I'm probably gonna do is heat it up. I'm gonna use fishing line starting from the bottom, peel up as much of the 3M in the back as I can. I'm just gonna slightly pull it back. When you use the fishing line, make sure that when you put the fishing line back there, you're kind of pulling outside away from the car so that you don't scratch up the paint. Move it. Grab my fishing line. Twirl it up in my arms a little bit just to get it good. Got it, guys. All that glue that I get to have fun removing now. All right, now we're gonna do the front emblem. The front emblem, again, we're just gonna heat it up. We're gonna put some fishing line behind it and pull away from it. If you do need, I have plastic prying tools that will help a little bit too. Doing the front's gonna be a little bit different. In the back, there were two pins that secured or at least helped put the emblem in place. These, I think there's gonna be 2 or 3 tabs in the back that actually secured behind the bumper. So what you can do is you can remove the bumper if you want and undo those tabs. In my case, I don't wanna do that. I'm just gonna go ahead and break those tabs off by, I guess, pulling on it. So we're just gonna break off the tabs, clean off the surface, and then put the new emblems on. All right, y'all. We got the emblem removed, side-by-side comparison. Here is the OEM one. Here's the replacement. As you guys can see on this emblem, there's a little bit of hazing. You can see some scratches on it already that I really don't like, but I'm super excited to replace it with these all black ones. But as you can see, there is a lot of residue glue. And I've tried to take it off by finger as much as I can, which is proven to be very difficult. And that's why we're gonna be using this tool here now to go ahead and slowly remove the glue off of the paint or off the car. Be very careful when you guys do this. I'm serious. You guys can strip your paint, but as long as you're careful, you should be okay. All right, I hope you guys can see the residue right there, but with the wheel, be very gentle. I find it using it at an angle like this, you have better control, and just control the RPM, be very safe. because you guys don't want it stripping. Hopefully you guys can see it coming off. So we got it all removed with the tool, and you guys will see right here, hopefully, all like the rubber wheels. I don't know if you guys can see that brownish residue. It flew all over the car, so I need to wipe this all down, clean this up, surface prep it, and I'll show you guys how it looks before I put it on. Spray it down with some surface prep cleaner. I use this rapid clean that I used to use whenever I applied vinyl. It just basically removes, you know, wax, oil, residue, anything that's on the car, and helps the 3M adhese a lot stronger. Look how clean that area is now. All right, I got the 3M peeled off. When applying these badges, I guess the only piece of advice I can give you guys is take your time. Because honestly, there's been many times where I rushed it and I fucked it up. So we do not want that again. Just take your time, lightly press it in so that you can peel it off if you need to. Ta-da. What I also like to do is I like to heat up the glue or the 3M adhesive a little bit to make sure it helps sticks and activates. So I'm just gonna heat it up. All right guys, and it's finally done and installed. We got the front badges and the rear badges all on, all good. I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys the badges on how it looks inside the garage. I would take the car out, however, we were hit with a snowstorm. I am on summer tires and I haven't got an alignment yet that is scheduled for this Friday, so there's no way I'm risking taking the car outside. But here it is for now, so you guys can enjoy it. Here's the rear badge. Oh man, that looks so sick. Here's the front. All right, y'all, when editing this video, I realized I didn't really create an outro. So I decided to record one now and just throw it on the video. First off, I want to thank each and every one of you guys for watching any of my videos or even subscribing to my channel. Happy New Year to you all. I can't wait to see what 2022 has in store for me and for everybody else. I almost hit 8,000 subscribers at the end of 2021. Started gaining some traction, but this year for sure we're gonna hit 1,000 and we're gonna hit more. I'm hoping I can at least hit 5,000 in this year. That would be super cool. For 2022, I set myself a goal. I want to post at least one video a week, and that's going to be posted every single Friday. So I'm going to really hold myself hard to that and try to do that this year. But again, if you guys can comment, like, or subscribe, it really motivates me and helps out the channel. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I want to thank you guys again. Happy New Year, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.